pronounce ra tani chapter subati kaza singular da plural dinye la common noun da proper noun cha singular da plural noun la ne ga ni ja ra themba su na ta namgyu s de es de ba chi digan la ani kisi f da f e ne ju zo na chi min chi shi anzo kharchire ves ningres mansila ra shimba chi anzo kharchang 디바 그래서 템바지시라 F이나 sorry 와 타마들라 y 고 주조에나 먼저 같이 오래 I S 능고레스 라 디간서 결정으로 지잖아 그런 무슨 사와 차트랑서 나 다른 간서 pronounce 라 pronounce는 게랑 템부스이나 너 당보다나 되어야 he she it 아니 가서 bracket 나로라 아니 카트레 pronounce 란티야 다 he she it 라데 카리게 찹레 민지 찹로아 미지 미나레 미지 찹치니 sorry 민지 찹치니 안저기 카트레 he she it 라라 온데치 다 he she it we they encourage you som마요 치라 다 딩아 주탄데 대화 가지장도 된다 다리 read this conversation ra limud loshwas renu la gyode decision che asha la gyode tuste ra kuni limud ke renu khalare where is father asha he has gone to the bank pala khoyres ko ani bank la dosumus renu where is amita she is sitting in the balcony amita khodula ra shimura ani 다 내가 주원나라 도나시오나 주원나라 저기 미라 사와이나 아니 코레 람상으로 레나 가다르체 시라나 디마시 코니 아미타 is sitting lady magwado shedwa so she is sitting in the balcony na anzo waranda leya ondela deshas where is my coloring book ra coloring book lady ko chala jirwa so it is on the shelf tepshasa gantos where are my crayons they are in the drawer ra crayons lana yana ge chanda jang so chanda dai bu shi ra ondi khados they the mangzir da mangzir so they ra they are in the drawers konso de khade phat konso bail dos karsa drawer lana anzo ye che kaza su tian yo ge jang so ge chotse wala te bajli ya chala do sound la drawer la will you play with me kyunganim duzum say yes asha kalare not now I will play with you later tanda me jim this jela indas rat jela che was dile so dile you they it she he konsamma kare chabdo gang mi jila chagyo gi chabjire do ra beach so he she it they you I and we are words which are used in place of nouns ra anzo yi he she it they you I we in samlo chigdin so khari kandi roj piji chilana din so anzo mingi chapchi ra in place lana mingi chap disara chapchi these words are called pronouns that chigdin so la khala lana pronouns like this means apply ra we use pronouns so that we do not have to repeat the nouns in the sentence. anzo ye minsab di kharila khajini phiji chiolana anzo ye ani repeat lana kya to yadra chirujna la min dia kya to lago ya jara di lama go ya sabdu anzo ye minsab phiji especially na father la the father has la mo wache he la na question te yachra dinash amita la sajla ya she chala dinzo khare the chigin sambala it chala mangbo yoena de dinashimi mangbo yoena de la de chala dami samala kochora ne you la de ko kheran le dra the next exercise 1 tading anzo gi diche ra this ma is ra khazan sina khazan chini sum smash mes tare anzo la de you I we ra is tayen nega de ranjar to ko min chapchi ta pena hare pena mata exercise di tick the correct pronouns to complete these sentences. Da hare nganzu tsirup di khoya chetula ani correct pronounce ra means up digyod la tikya shwas tadila nganzu damga sumdo dibadla nganzu gi tikta kyach Renu is my best friend Renu le de phomoji ba dangi nganzu so Renu le de ni gi choguya she is tadila he do re she do re it do la na she is very clever morape chambu yores ra moran le de she le de then Mr. Ramesh is the principal of our school. Ramesh leading on the laptagi lobchi chatures. The Mr. La samgi kare ko me by cap pui by capsarwa. So he is in his office. He led the dicta gachra mo Qurani leguna tus. Don't drink water from this well. Well na tumbane. Tumba dine chumadungs. 다 춤바들라 같이 임베 되게 랭 sometimes 잘라레도 미리도 데리도 라 쪼거레시 the boy in the photograph is my brother 아니 빠나 옆에 부디 니 빙겨 부이레스 라 빙겨 풀라 삼기 카르티고레 데랑 sometimes is very tall rimbuperes Sunil and I are neighbors Sunil 당아니 니 김세 is 안 같이레 they you we often play together nganzo ni yangse tsimutsi yus nyamdo tadina kharim bat damech Guru and Sahiba are waiting at the bus stop Guru da Sahiba niga ni kasadi chijol langko laura chijol langko gi basula lagore kasadla gudishas ta konzo mini na khatiora nganzo we later they later you later are waiting for the bus konzo ani bus la gudishas we are it is late again. Tahare tadila kharile boire. It khasadi sorry. Is late again la di kharila khotore bus la khotora. Bus di ya jilu gon thesung da janam khatnam gyu the sarwa thare the shas. So kharile bare we la na bus la we la mara. Diche. So mother what are dash doing? Ta amlai keje shikyura. Kalare what are Tioguda Ra Sunila Chitra and Ninala Konanigal Takachimben De Lana Consolera Kunzo Laina Kare Yudi Nigala Kora Kera Michi Inari Mini Sumjila Keran Son Leanzoina on the Le Kochor so Kare Yulebara it is Kachi so Chitra and Nina Kalare Consulta Mini in a Katore Dash are watching cartoons on TV on the TV Nalala Ani Casadela Gunye lera, Gunye tashi yes. Rohit kalare will Dash come to the park to play. Kiran la nadisare did rataje. Kare ani park la ra tanda setangala timzela yungi beela ra. Asif and Amar gi kalare yes Dash will. The mini yena katiuranzara. Oh yungi is anzo letra. Jaya and I like to draw. Jaya dangani ani remutia gabuyus. And many anzo katire manzo ki lera. Dash use crayons. Anzo kari pichire yang gets under pichis. My dog was happy. Ni any kid resra. Dash is playing with a ball. That dog la kar team they team it team you team ra. Ni ball nim to sit shas. The next exercise 2D. Rewrite these sentences with he, she, it, we, or they in place of the words in color. Sundana yope tsig dinzo tsabla manzo they da, we da, it, she, he, and it tishoas. Gadu tishoas tsiruti. Ratsiruti nala. Chukche gadu tishoas. Pesina Kate is not well. Kate led me jimechira. Kate went to the doctor. The gon Kate lao mara. Kate tambuj lasana dijela korami sufficient. So the sabla mao the sabla kachere she the tea and sentence samad machita. She went to the doctor. Ra. Tsirumi sun michi korshi na kanza michi mindi tigo mara on the pronoun pichera di. The man is walking fast. The man is in hurry katimbe. The man michi ra puina katiranzo. The lady gon tiomada the man yiga kochutu miko pronoun tira. He charura he is in hurry. That the next sama gila instanda. What you would do the shas? Where are the birds? Choose the kodus. Ani kare ko del khatim bera. 지금 아무도 안 돼 sometimes. 콘소 pizza songs. Miss Gita is our teacher. Miss Gita lady nganzo Gita la nganzo gi Gila Miss Gita teaches us English. Miss Gita nganzo English la wores. Ta khatimbe Miss Gita pomorwa. Linda and I went to the library. Linda nanga pencil trees. Linda and I saw many books nganzo gi 대마보 통송스 린다 담이 아일랜드 미니나 같이 베라 Where is Ginger the dog? Ginger 아니 먼저 키 Ginger 거두라 Ginger is in a garden. So Ginger garden dulaena that the Ginger gon pijmadaje dit subtienda. Sama and I read a book. Sama dangani pepsi lois. And Sama and I like the book. Yang anzuniga led lam wache subtitiecha. Where is the cat? Cat kodus shimidi. The cat is in the box. Yang goni cat lam wache means a karpichina yak detail. Then somebody complete this letter with correct pronounce. Right? Letter la tanda la yi tongyi la ko ra. Tongyi de cha chang gong shuas means a dikyo Dear grandmother, so la tanga do momola ra. Ni ne se momolas. How are you? I must tell you about our class picnic. Kira dewo imbenga kira la inji michi anzo zende yi ni tudo laure de dikola shek lais nibad lauki dusra de la ayana marda yata pronoun ra. Dash went on a picnic to Nehru Park last Thursday. Ta khatimbe de la mi mambo yoro koran zende zingro chang sama yoro so khatimbe anzo Nehru Park le ji di khasa Turu dansa pankhato jira de la joins khat dinye ki sada sabudla. Shruti, Kirti and Sania were also there. And it did motion is ringira mumulai. Shruti the Kirti the sama at your estella. Dash are my good friend. Ta konzo lembe lera. Konzo ni toya wushres. Dash went by bus. Ta konzo lana didwa. Kare bus unit is. It was a comfortable journey. Pe ane Doya di ta doyu di pe deu chungsons. We reached the park in an hour. Anso ani dogi tangsa dela chuzi china jorsons. Dash played many games there. Ta khati bedela anso tsei lera. Anso tsei mo pe mam is. Dash also ate some tasty snacks. Dinashi we ra. Anso ye ya dinashi ye ani snacks la na anso ta kala ngone me bache sula suse roji anso. The Mamshimbo is there were 2 teachers with us. Years. Dash were very kind and friendly. That make Yeni and answer Katir Consoladra. Beka Akaya Casa Sembasambuda, being Angela and Casa Casambudos. Dash had a great time. Ani Kadere Ganzola Lebada. Anzo be Q Chonsons. Great time that to the Q Chons like Lakura. Did Dash you go anywhere last week? Did Jelada Patio dan Katire Kiran Lerwa. So did you go anywhere last week? Kiran and Kazan Dindad Lako Jigla doing best. Kawan. I wish Dash could come here soon. Near Revala you later. You could come here soon. Kiran Delni to a Jopuli to a Rewa years. Yours lovely Veni. Kirangi Takasan Nin Zevalonade. The Dindirichne and Vanina Tiger.